Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to do all the maintenance on this Dreame L60 Ultra PE robot vacuum cleaner. Now this robot vacuum cleaner is Just a Dad approved. That's going to be my very next video, but we got to do the maintenance first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brush rollers, replace the mop pads, replace the dust bag, side brush, and clean the filter. And we got to do a little bit of maintenance down here, and I'll show you how to reset all the maintenance reminders. Now I did purchase this robot and all the accessories you're seeing with my own money, but I do use links. So if you purchase the product that I'm showcasing here off of my Amazon link on my website, justadadapproved.com, or in the description, that is an affiliate link. The product's not going to cost you anymore, but I do earn a small commission from the sale. Now I will put the OEM ones, but I do test generic ones. Here we got the Blue Arcs is really good. Dr. Rober is really good. And I can't pronounce that name, but I'll have all of these links on my website, justadadapproved.com. I've got a maintenance section. You simply just enter in your robot model number and it takes you to all the maintenance products. Okay, let's take a look at the self-cleaning. We're going to clean this filter. We got to clean this on base, but it's been doing a good job of self-cleaning itself. Let's take a look at the dust bag. This one is pretty full. The solution, we can add some, I'll put a link to the Dreame solution that you put in there. Simply just pull this lever, that comes out, the bag is full. I get asked all the time, do robot vacuum cleaners actually work? Well, let's cut the dust bag open and we'll see. Wow, this has been doing a good job of cleaning up. Wow, look at all that dirt and debris, large chunks, rocks, even I don't even know what that is. A nickel. That is absolutely amazing how much stuff this has been picking up. Wow. Okay, let's switch gears over to the robot. We're going to wipe the sensor down here. We've got sensors on the front. This is just a lint-free cloth. Sensors here. Make sure there's nothing caught underneath the LiDAR, and a sensor on the side. Yeah, this is every 30 hours. Clean that sensor there, and then that sensor right there. The carpet sensor, you can take, you don't want to damage it. Just kind of put a cloth down in there a little bit and just wipe it down a little bit. All right, let's take the dustbin out and we're going to clean the dustbin filter. This you should clean that every couple weeks. I've neglected mine a little bit, but it is reusable and we can wash the dustbin out too. Okay, let's take a look at the mop pads. Now that is magnetic and it's been picking up little bitty magnetic shavings, which we'll take out, but these are about due to be replaced. You can put these in your laundry. And I'll have to get a towel to get those metal shavings off. Let's get the brush rollers out, pinch these tabs, rotate that up. Wow, it's been doing a good job. There's some big chunks in here we want to get out. These are still in pretty good shape. There's no chunks missing, but they can be cleaned. So pull them off. This is the same as the Mova V50 and the X50. Oh, so we're going to wash those out and then we're going to wipe this down. Let's replace the side brush. It's actually in pretty good shape. That's just a Phillips screw, #1 Phillips screw that you would replace it with. Let's put a new dust bag in. Simply line it up in that rail there. Now that should be flush, that should be flush. And tuck that away in there. It doesn't go all the way over because this is a bigger solution tank. So let's just unfold it. There. Now, I'll put a link to everything you're seeing here in the show. This is the world famous Just a Dad cleaning brush. There's the dirty water tank. I like to use the scrubbing bubbles. It kills odor. These tanks will start to stink after a while. And then every time I empty one, I don't clean it, but I do put an Efforted tablet in there. So I just drop a tablet in there every time I empty it. Everything in here is reusable, but will have to be replaced after a certain amount of time. Now, if you're in a hurry like me, you can blow dry these. Again, it is recommended to let them dry in the sun. Now, the filter, you definitely have to let this dry. This will only do it so much. Okay, let's go back to the brush. Let's spray a little scrubbing bubbles down here. Again. And then I'm just going to use a cloth to wipe all this clean. There, that's all nice and clean. Take the same damp cloth and wipe this down. Again, be very careful. That's a really thin membrane. We do not want to damage that. It'll ruin the robot. But this is very easy to clean. The wheels are in good shape. Around the mop pads are in good shape. Very easy to clean robot. Okay, let's put the filter in down here. Let's put the filter in the filter box. Line up these two ears. Rotate it. That should be nice and flush. I needed to do a little better job of cleaning that. Here's a little cleaning hack for the mop pads. Here's the new ones. Make sure you engage the Velcro a lot. Sometimes they will fold up on you. These, again, I got all that metal shavings out of there. These are the swivel ones. And then these just click into place. Line up. There's the brown with the brown. You may have to rotate this a little bit, but you want to kind of hear it click into place. Same with this. This is the same as the Mova V50 and the X50. All right, find the arrow. Go in at an angle. You may have to rotate them. That should be nice and flush. Take the door, find the front feet. We're going to put the front feet in first. Wiggle, wiggle, click into place. Make sure both click into place and are flush. All right, we're going to put the dustbin in. Get the hair off. Turn it back on and let's reset some maintenance reminders. Let's go into settings, go to accessory usage. Let's reset the filter. I did replace it. You should clean that filter every week or 2 weeks. Side brush has some more time with the sensors. I'm resetting the timer. Mop pad and dust bag are replaced as needed. So the very next video is this robot will be Just a Dad approved. There's 4 L60s. So this is kind of like right above the cheapest one. It's got a pretty good, it's a pretty good robot, but wait for it to go on sale. And the best place to find when these robots go on sale is my website, justadadapproved.com. Again, if you want to see any of the parts I used in this, the generic parts, the OEM parts, the tools, all of that can be found in the description of the video, but the best place is my website. Up at the top, there's a maintenance section. Click on it, type in your robot model number, and it should bring up all the videos, parts, everything I use. So again, thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.